Have you ever found yourself perched on the edge of your bed in the morning? Not in pain but simply waiting because your legs just don't feel quite ready, as if they need a few extra moments to boot up? Or perhaps rising from a chair now demands a bit more effort than it used to? It's easy to shrug these moments off as just getting older, but what if they're actually a warning sign? This creeping weakness may be the early call of sarcopenia, a silent condition that causes muscle loss and weakness over time, often going unnoticed until a fall disrupts daily life. Research shows sarcopenia affects about 1 in 3 people over 60, doubling the risk of falls and related injuries. Here's the shocking part. Muscle loss doesn't just happen when you skip workouts, it can accelerate while you sleep. If your body lacks key nutrients at night, you could actually wake up a little weaker each morning. That's why what you eat before bed can be one of the most critical meals of the day, especially after age 60. Scientists have now identified 7 specific bedtime foods that can help stop and even reverse this muscle loss. 1. Eggs, soft-boiled or poached. A complete protein rich in leucine, which jumpstarts muscle building. Lightly cooked eggs offer better nutrient absorption, also supply vitamin D and B12. 2. Almond butter, packed with healthy fats, plant protein, and magnesium. It supports muscle repair and stabilizes blood sugar. Spread a tablespoon on whole grain toast or stir it into oatmeal. 3. Tart cherry juice. Reduces inflammation and improves sleep quality, boosting overnight muscle recovery. Drink 8 ounces of pure tart cherry juice about 30 minutes before bed. 4. Pumpkin seeds. Loaded with magnesium, plant protein, and tryptophan to support muscle health and promote restful sleep. Enjoy a tablespoon raw or lightly roasted before bedtime. 5. Greek yogurt. High in both fast and slow digesting proteins, providing sustained muscle support throughout the night. Add chia seeds and berries for an extra boost. 6. Cottage cheese. Rich in casein, protein, and leucine, making it a powerful muscle-building food. Mix half a cup with chia seeds and fruit for a satisfying bedtime snack. 7. Whey protein plus collagen peptides plus leucine. The ultimate bedtime shake. This combination dramatically boosts muscle regrowth and joint health overnight. Blend whey protein, collagen, and 3 grams leucine for the best results. Even in your 70s, 80s, and beyond, it's possible to rebuild muscle and regain strength with the right nutrition, especially before bed. Start with just one of these muscle-friendly foods tonight, and you might feel stronger in a matter of weeks. Have you experienced muscle weakness and brushed it off as aging? Which of these foods are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing health tips.